Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. Wanted to do an unboxing of the Dorman Conduct Tight 16 to 14 gauge butt connectors. And it kind of sounds funny, but what you can do with a butt connector, if you got a speaker wire, maybe it's too short and you need to make it longer, these little butt connectors right here, you can see there's metal, this plastic on the outside, but there's metal in there. So basically you insert the wire on one end, insert the other wire on the other end, and then using a pair of needle nose pliers or something, you clamp down, and that causes the two wires to connect, and in essence creating one wire out of two wires. And that's handy if you've got a speaker wire that's running through a wall that's already you know, pretty short and you can't make it longer. You can use a butt connector and combine the lengths of two or more speaker wires. So check out my other video where I demonstrate that. Again, this is just the unboxing of these butt connectors. It's a 20 pack, got it at AutoZone. I felt there was a fair price. So if you need to get a butt connector, you might want to check at AutoZone. These are pretty snazzy. So subscribe if you haven't already, youtube.com/Irix Guy. And share this video and any of my videos with others. Y'all have a good day.